2 to 3 weeks, I was able to recoup the same amount of money that I blew in 6 months. And that's why dropshipping is worth it. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be talking about the mindset to succeed in dropshipping and entrepreneurship. I highly recommend you guys watch the very end because I actually review and show you guys all the products that I tested and literally show you guys the 300 plus worth of products that I tested over the lifetime of my dropshipping journey. So I definitely want to show you guys that live, and I show you all the products and everything, which is insane just looking back at the amount of products I've tested. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get right into the video. Excuse me because I'm a bit sick, I got a sore throat, but I really want to pump out these daily videos for you. And since we're talking about mindset, I'm going to use my mindset to overcome this sickness that I'm currently going through to pump out this valuable video for you guys. So if I'm talking really low, I'm less energetic, that's the reason why. But mindset for dropshipping success. 1. The first thing you need to do is you want to be consistent. Rather than pumping out like 5 to 10 products over the weekend, you want to do 1 or 2 products every single day. 1 product every single day, or 7 products every single week. Let's say you just work 5 days a week and you can only work on weekends, then you want to be consistent every weekend. But you just have to be consistent and create a system where over a period of 2, 3, 4 months, you're doing it every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, every week, every fortnight. You just want to be consistent with it. And that's really important when it comes to succeeding in dropshipping. 2, you want to aim to improve every single day. And what you'll find is that every single day, you would literally compound. So check this out. This is Warren Buffett's net worth. He's one of the world's richest man. I think he's like the 3rd richest or the 2nd richest. But just looking at this graph, all it took was just compounded growth. Because if you look at when he was 14, he had 5K, 15, he had 6K. Like I was at that same level. At 19, he only had 10K. At 21, he had 20K. Like these are achievable numbers and goals, yet he's now the world's richest man. So that just shows that if you improve every single day, who knows where you're going to be at when you're 50, 60, 83. Like all you have to do is just keep improving and not plateauing. A lot of people don't become as successful as Warren Buffett is because when they join the workforce, that's when they stop improving every day. Like you go from improving in preschool to improving in high school to improving in college. As every year things get harder, then you improve in university, you improve in getting a job. But once you secure that job, you're sort of doing the exact same thing with like maybe a small change every few months, every few years for the next 40 years. And you wonder why your pay isn't increasing. You wonder why you aren't getting more successful. It's because you're not improving. And that's why you want to work on improving every single day, no matter what situation you're in. Like if you're in a job, if you literally read books every day, you try new businesses and side hustles every day, eventually something's going to work. It's going to overtake your current 9 to 5 and you're going to be able to be really, really successful. 3, you want to keep things simple. A lot of people when they start dropshipping, they're asking about like ABNs, they're asking about LLCs, they're asking about how to build a VA team, they're asking about like criterias, metrics. You want to just keep things simple and just get started. You don't want to overcomplicate things, and you just want to streamline and just like do things that matter. And that's exactly what we're going to go into next. Where should you focus those 3 things that I mentioned into? Product research. Based on real experiences, the more time and energy and products I tested, or me and my team test, correlates with the amount of money we make. You want to be testing continuously. The more product research you do, the more money you're going to make. The more products you test, the more money you're going to make. And that's super, super important because a lot of people, they're testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. They're stuck on their 5th product. That product has a few sales, they're trying to make it work, and they become attached to that product and they just stop testing. But if you want to succeed, you got to test a lot. No matter how big or small your current winner is, you want to continuously test because that winner is eventually going to die. And if you want to make more money, you're going to have to test more. And that's probably one of the biggest things you could do when it comes to succeeding in dropshipping, just testing a lot of products. Now, if you don't find a winner after 10, 20, 50, 70 products, you have to stay positive and believe in the process. Check out this image, the guy at the bottom. If he just believed in the process, he would have hit diamond. All his hard work would have paid off, and a lot of people are literally stopping. Like, most people don't even get to 10 products. You want to sort of trust the process and keep going. Literally, it took me 70 products to find my first winner. You know, I've tested over 300 products. Actually, let me show you guys the products I've tested. As you can see, what I did was, when I started dropshipping, I like to really keep myself organized. So as a result, I put all the products I've tested in many different folders. Check out, this is all the products I tested from 1 to 86. Look at this. And I'd like to collect the images. I had all the creatives. Look, this was my first dropshipping store. And check out my first ad. How bad was it? You know, when I first started like 2.5 years ago, I started with the free plus shipping model, and I wanted to sort of sell these pants. And check out all these different variations I made. And it's very nostalgic looking back, actually. Check this out, another free plus shipping product. And there's just a lot. Check this out, Instagram influencers. This was my actual post that I made. Man, this brings back memories when I was just grinding, testing products every single day. Look, this was probably one of my mini winners, where I just had, you know, many different videos. But let's show you guys one of the videos.
And always cleanse with alcohol to remove any oils on the natural nail plate. Me, our educator, she already has our BioSwift tip ready, and our BioSwift builder. You're gonna scoop up about 2 bead-sized amount and fill it into your tip. So what is the problem?
Man, this is nostalgic. But like, man, I put in the grind. I remember how tough it was just testing products every single day, not getting any results. Check this out, like, I thought this was cool. So I tried testing clothing. I tried testing face mask. Check this out, 60% off, click link and buy it. Man, let's check this out. This is a cool ad, look how clean this was. But as you can see, by my 46th product, my ads just started getting better and better and better. Like, I just started really crap, as you see. Like, look how bad this ad is. But I started with something crap and bad, and I just got better and better and better. Look how clean this ad is. A $9.95 shirt. Obviously this didn't work because, like, people can just buy a shirt from their local store. Why would they buy one online? But my ads just got better and better over time, and I just kept trying. I didn't give up. You know, I had a $5,000 budget that I was willing to lose, and I wasn't going to stop until I succeeded. And I literally tested over 200, up to 254. And this is when I stopped documenting it. When I had my own team, they were literally uploading products every single day. We had a whole Excel sheet filled with like another 100, probably 200 plus products on top of these. And then, you know, everything was on a Google Drive, everything was on an Excel sheet. I no longer had to like download all the videos. Everything was just done on Google Drive. And I transitioned out of saving all the documents on my computer. But I've literally tested over like, probably like, now thinking about it, 4,500 plus worth of products. But yeah, let's go back to the slide. Basically, in conclusion, you need to stay positive and you need to keep going. You know, my first 70 products, I felt exactly that man that's pushing the rock up the mountain. It was one of the toughest things ever. I had never done something that tough. But the moment I hit the top and I kept rolling, when the ball rolled down, it was the most satisfying feeling. All my pain was worth the effort. All the money came in, like the money, the $5,000 that I blew over a period of 6 months, that literally all came in a period of 2 to 3 weeks. How insane is that? 2 to 3 weeks, I was able to recoup the same amount of money that I blew in 6 months. And that's why dropshipping is worth it. Other than that, stay positive, be consistent, keep grinding, trust the process, and focus on improving and bettering yourself every single day and do a lot of product research. Now, if you guys want these slides completely for free, they're in the description below. I know a lot of people want to keep these on their computer so they can go through it just in case they wanted to sort of review the knowledge that I taught on this video. You'll get these slides completely for free. It's a PowerPoint presentation. I don't ask for anything, so you get that for free in the description below. Question of the day: what is your current mindset and how are you feeling right now when it comes to dropshipping? I want to hear your thoughts. Everyone at different stages has their own problems. After finding your first winning products, you deal with a whole nother set of business problems when it comes to dropshipping, and it's just a constant grind. Entrepreneurship is tough and it isn't easy. So I want to hear your current mindset and how you feel with the way you're at. Let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found value in this video. I really appreciate your time and effort and energy you guys put to watch these videos every single day. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to drop a like below. Don't forget to subscribe. That really helps. Hit the notification bell, like this video. All that really helps, and I really appreciate it if you guys do. Other than that, hopefully I'll be able to see you tomorrow where I'm going to drop more value every single day. Peace.